I got the lift right against the drywall on the wall. Just lifting it slightly, put it on the cradle, tipping it back towards the lift. Just getting it off the ground just a little bit. And now I take the entire lift and I put it right against the wall. You don't want it tipping backwards because then all the weight will be pushing away from the wall. Right now it's just going to glide it right up over the insulation. Once I get it close to where I want it, I do want to tighten this corner because of the front coaster wheels. I'm able to just pull it to the left. There's enough play in the cradle that allows me to still attach it to a ceiling or walls that are a little bit out of plumb. Now I'm just putting it up nice and tight. And now I just go through fasten the top edge, fasten around the windows, and I'm cutting the windows out afterwards.